How to add AI creator on Facebook profile. So first of all, go to Facebook application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right. Now once you come to your main timeline, go ahead and tap on the three dots icon. Now on top, you will see edit option. Now in order to find this option, you would have to switch your Facebook profile to Pro mode and also make sure that your Facebook profile is not locked, and then only you will be able to switch to Pro mode. Once you switch to Pro mode, you will see the option of edit on top. Tap on it. Now once you come here under category, you can see AI creator. Tap on this pencil icon. Now over here, go ahead and select on the option of yes. Then tap on save. Now if you go back on your timeline, then you will see AI creator shown on your Facebook profile. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.